So today again we're doing two-step inequalities. My suggestion again would be to go ahead and when you're looking at the problem, and I just rewrote number 2 here on the right, to cover up with your finger the variable. Okay, that's what you want to deal with second. So first we want to undo any adding or subtracting. We always look in front, so the 7 is what we're going to deal with first. What is happening in front of the 7 if we cannot see a symbol?
It's a positive.
It's like a positive or a plus 7. So the opposite is to subtract 7, cancel. Now we subtracted a 7. Should I flip my sign? What do you think? Yeah.
No, because it's not a multiplication problem or a division problem.
Yep, you're not multiplying or dividing by negative, so you don't flip your sign. So 11 minus the 7 is 4. Bring down my symbol, less than or equal to, and I'm still left with a positive or x. And again, at this point, you would be able to look at what's underneath your finger there. And x is divided by 5. Now, how do you get x by itself? How do you get rid of a divide by 5?
Multiply by 5.
Yep, and to show multiplication, we put it in parentheses like this. We cancel. Now we're multiplying. Should I flip my sign now?
No.
Yep, but we're not multiplying by negative. So no, don't flip your sign. It's 20 is less than or equal to x. If you were to graph this, you would put 20 here, 21 here, 19 here. We'd circle the 20. Should I fill this in? Yep, fill it in. Now, this is where I have to be kind of careful. I'm going to try 19. Is 20 less than 19? Nope. What about if I tried the 21? Is 20 less than 21? Yeah. So then this is the direction we need to fill it in. Okay, also, looking at number 3, I just want you to at least be able to write this out. It says a rental car company charges $45 plus, so I'm just going to put a plus, 20 cents per mile. Anytime you hear something per something, so like $8 per hour or $3 per cone or whatever it happens to be, you know you're multiplying. So it's going to be 20 cents per mile. It says Mr. Lawrence does not want to spend more than $100. So is spending $100 okay? Yeah. Is spending $99 okay? Yeah. So less than 100 and equaling 100 is okay. Is spending $101 okay? No. So what symbol would I want here to represent that this amount needs to be at 100 or under 100?
Less than or equal to?
Very good. Less than or equal to. If you had time and solved it for m, m would have been, let's see, 275. So let's see, m is less than or equal to 275. And then if you were to interpret it, you would say something like, Mr. Lawrence can travel 275 miles or less. All right? And then he wouldn't go over his $100. The last thing, I just want you guys to look at this because you're going to have a couple of these on your assignments. You're given some words, you need to write an inequality. It says 3 times a number plus 4 is less than 16. Every time you guys have a problem like this, I'd really like you to circle or star the word is. That is the spot where you know your inequality sign will go. So therefore, I can write 3 times a number plus 4. Now the is telling me I need to put a symbol in there. So is less than, all right, well it's less than 16. So the is I'm trying to show you a helpful way to help you know where to put your symbol. All right, so that's all.